In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for business, fast and easy. We'll cover everything you need to get started, from setting up your account to optimizing your pins. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Pinterest. Open your web browser and type Pinterest into the search bar. You'll see several search results, but go ahead and click on the first link. This will take you directly to the Pinterest homepage. Once you're there, either log in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. If you're just getting started, one of the best things you can do is switch to a Pinterest business account. It's free and offers additional benefits like access to analytics and advertising options. This is pivotal for growing your business on Pinterest because you'll be able to track the performance of your pins and see which strategies are working. Next, let's focus on setting up your boards. Creating boards around your business niche is essential. They should accurately reflect the products, services, or solutions you offer. For instance, if you're running a clothing brand, consider creating boards with titles like Summer Outfits, Workwear Looks, or Street Style. For a digital business, go with titles like Marketing Tips or SEO Basics. Keywords are crucial here, so be sure to use them in your board titles and descriptions to increase your visibility in search results. Now let's talk about designing your pins. The key to a successful pin is making it visually appealing and clickable. Use tall images, ideally with specs of 1000 by 1500 pixels, and bold text overlays to make your pins stand out. Consistency in branding is vital too, so stick to the same colors, fonts, and logo across all your pins. Don't forget a clear call to action such as Shop Now or Download Free Guide, and make sure the pin links directly to your product pages, services, or lead magnets. Implementing Pinterest SEO is also essential. Think like your customers and consider what they might search for. Incorporate relevant keywords into your pin titles, descriptions, board names, and alt text. This will help your content show up in search results and bring in more engagement. Furthermore, consider leveraging video pins and idea pins. These are great for sharing tutorials, product demos, customer stories, or quick tips. For example, you might use a video pin to demonstrate 3 ways to style our summer dress, or highlight how our software saves you 10 hours weekly. Pinterest tends to boost video and idea pins, giving your content more reach. Finally, always track and improve your strategies. Utilize Pinterest Analytics to check your impressions, clicks, and saves. And use Google Analytics to track more in-depth metrics like sales and leads from Pinterest. This way, you can hone in on what works and cultivate content that drives the most conversions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using Pinterest as a dynamic tool for your business. Keep experimenting and fine-tuning your approach, and you'll see the results. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Pinterest strategy.